Hey everyone, this is a quick video that I'm making. Try to give some of the folks on the Honda Goldwing forum, see if you can't help me troubleshoot this problem now that I've been chasing for about a year. This is a 1997 Honda Goldwing GL1500 Aspencade. I think I pronounced it right. And basically what I've been having is a problem with the bike jerking under 2000 RPM. And it doesn't matter what gear you're in, you know, once you go about half throttle to full throttle with RPMs under 2000, it'll start to jerk. And once it gets up high enough, the bike will take off and run fine and actually pulls pretty good. What I'm going to do is take this out on the road, because I know trying to explain what it's doing on a forum is not easy. So, and since I don't have a GoPro, I'm going to have to use my camera. And so what I'll do is I'll get it started. So I'm not going to do any dialogue while I'm doing the riding, but you'll be able to see exactly what the bike is doing. So I'll be back in a few. Okay, here. We're going straight away so that you can see it. I got it in second gear. I got to fix this hopping problem. I just put that black gold stiffer on there, and it made my strut stiff. Drop the RPM some.